Hey there, awesome viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make web design simple and fun. Today, we're diving into how to create a login page in Wix website for 2025. If you're building a membership site, an online store, or anything that needs user authentication, this tutorial is perfect for you. By the end, you'll have a secure and professional login page up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix account and head to the dashboard. This is your control center for all things Wix. Once you're in, select the website you want to edit. Now, open the Wix editor. It's the intuitive drag and drop tool that makes design a breeze. Next, look for the Add Elements section on the left sidebar. Search for Login or Member Login in the search bar. When you find it, drag and drop the login element onto your desired page. Wix has updated its interface in 2025, so you'll see new customization options right away, like modern templates and enhanced security features. Now, customize your login page to match your brand. Change the colors, fonts, buttons, and layout. Don't forget to add any additional elements, like a forgot password link or social login options for a seamless user experience. Head over to the Settings menu to set up user authentication. Here, you can configure member areas, define user roles, and ensure data privacy, super important in 2025 with new privacy regulations. Once everything looks good, test your login page thoroughly. Create a test account, try logging in and out, and check for any errors. If all goes well, hit that Publish button to make your site live. You'll love how easy Wix makes this process. There you have it, a fully functional login page for your Wix website. This not only boosts user engagement but also adds a layer of security to your site. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button, subscribe for more web design tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.